In this video, I will show you how to use the camera filters on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. First of all, just open the camera app. Now in the photo mode in the camera app, just tap on the 6 dots at the upper right corner on the screen. And once you do that, a small menu will appear on the screen. From here, just tap on Styles. Once you do that, you will open the Filters section on your iPhone. Now from here, you can swipe to the right or to the left side and you can switch between the different filter styles on your iPhone. Now you can edit the filters as you like by dragging this dot across this graph, just like that. And you can also change the intensity of the colors by dragging this slider to the right or to the left side. Now once you're satisfied with your filter, just tap on the shutter button and you will capture a photo using the filter which you have selected, just like that. And this is how you can use the filters on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.